Does the thought of physics make you want to run and hide? What if I told you that physics can actually be easy and fun to learn? Stick around, because today I'm sharing 5 amazing tips that will help you master physics like a pro. Welcome to Revision Rush, where we make learning simple and exciting. Tip number 1. Understand the basics. Grasp fundamental concepts like Newton's laws and energy. Master these and everything else will make sense. Tip number 2. Visualize the problems. Physics isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding how things work. Try drawing diagrams or picturing the problem in your mind. Enjoying these tips? Hit like and subscribe to Revision Rush for more easy to understand study tips. Let's continue with our list. Tip number 3. Use real-life examples. Physics is everywhere, from roller coasters to cooking. Relate concepts to everyday situations. For example, think of a roller coaster. This makes learning more interesting and helps you remember concepts better. Tip number 4. Practice with purpose. Focus on understanding each step and reasoning. Practice various problems to build confidence and skills. Tip number 5. Connect with other learners. Join a study group or participate in online forums. Explaining concepts to others reinforces your understanding. So, there you have it. 5 simple tips to make physics easy. Understand the basics, visualize problems, use real-life examples, and connect with other learners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Revision Rush and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and keep learning.